sleep with a spliff in me hand. Me never know say the weed light. Oh no no. One grass at the middle of the night, oh me ball out.
Jesus Christ, I mean.
The house a run down, run down. 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 I know. Me mama to can't talk, and me tighter than a pass mark when a class start. He the father, you got the grab a short staff. See for lungs, it's a muffle like the truck a drive fast. With a puff smoke. This way a hot smoke. Like when a old van a try start, man so split a spill, better get a dry card. Humble, you must say you're higher than a high class. Me see the food, but me have to high class. Me a search in the grab and do your man a dry glass. The one me a look, have a pepper like sauce. People things say no worry, me a get it by bass. Right for the class, and I go to IMAX, and I bite for the boss. Anyway, you fly fast, but I reach food that say them a go buy cash. You want to own a government of the suicide match. The house a run down, run down. The house a run down, run down. The house a run down, run down. The house a run down.
Young day one, them a wonder why smoke up the place. I grade me and place mine lost in a space. You go me split them than a shoe space. See the papa in a hit, hotter than a two-take tail. Who can circle, if you need base. So get a grand bag, try bring a suitcase. As one speak, done one ready to replace. Where you them call fire, me green and 50 face. Me a smoke till my feet, we drop down. No smoke than when you're not over than done. Doctor said the way my lungs stop. If you start, you step a zone, jet to my lungs. Nobody knows more weed I bear. And me help keep the sky cloudless. True, me lock up in a me house, I smoke all day. My neighbors outside, them a say
The house a run down, run down. 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 I saw we run court more. The highest of the highest, I saw the team smoke sure. Pavel say I the you must see black before. No sky up, chunk smoke, no fire and a cold stove. At the same thing, a 10 G, back what's new. Get a whistle on my life.